Assalamu alaikum. This is Mohammad Al Taj from Fourth Dimension System. Today we will talk about the integration between BMC Footprint version 12 and email notification using Gmail account. Also, we will talk about the integration between BMC Footprint version 12 and Active Directory. Firstly, we will talking about the email notification, how we can configure using the Gmail account. From administration tab in the system management, there is email setting. In the email setting, there is email notification system. We will select it. Okay, now we want to fill this settings. First, we will enable this tick box, enable email notification, and for Gmail we are using the SMTP protocol, and we will mention the SMTP port 587, and we are using TLS encryption method. And other side, we will mention default email account fallback fds@gmail.com, and we will mention default name in the default name to display in the from field. We will mention footprint service core FBC footprint service core 12.1 as example, and default domain name gmail.com. Also, in this panel we will add the email account and the password. Also, in the file attachment, we can mention the maximum size we can send using email notification. And also, if there's some filters, you can add it here if you want to add. After that, we will go to test connection. If everything working fine, we will see success message like this, and also we will receive email in the administrator email. Let us see in the email if we are receiving an email. Yes, we are received footprint from fallback FDS Gmail footprint email notification. We are receive email notification from that email. Okay, this is the point 1 in this video, how we can configure email notification using the Gmail account. Second point, we will discuss about the Active Directory integration. From system setting, authentication, we can configure Active Directory authentication method like this. How we can configure this from add configuration, enable LDAP authentication, and fill the information. This is the information we are filled before. Active Directory, this is the name of authentication method or configuration name. LDAP authentication attribute, same account name. LDAP IP address or server address, we will mention here. LDAP port, LDAP baseline DN. Okay. Also user distinguish name for administration user, and this password. The method you are used for the security. After that, save. How we can know this information? Just open the Active Directory. From the Active Directory server, and we will show you how we can get the LDAP baseline, DNS baseline, also the spelling for same account name, and then distinguish name from administrator. Click yameen for right click in the administrator user attribute, go to the attribute editor, same account name, double click, can find the value for this, and you can copy the attribute name, just paste here. Okay. And also how we can get the distinguish name, this is the distinguish name, copy, and paste here, Ctrl A, Ctrl V. We'll mention also the password. Okay, and paste. It's already operation completed successfully. After you are configured the Active Directory here in the authentication, you can find it in the user authentication method. As example, this one, edit. If you are come to authentication method, you can find it in this drop down. This is how to configure authentication method, Active Directory authentication method. Also, we are discussed how we can configure Gmail account for email notification in the BMC Footprint Service Core version 12. Thank you for watching, and if you have any question, please contact us.